She may be pretty, she may be smart, she may be funny, she's changed your broken heart. I'll never be her, although I try. She may seem perfect for you, but so am I.
Hi everyone, it's Jacqueline and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be transforming my hair and makeup look into Korean inspired style. And before we get into the video, don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get into the video. For the base makeup, I'm using this moko-moko BB cushion in Fair. It's a medium coverage cushion and I start off by tapping the products onto my under eye area because that's the area where I need most coverage, and then blend it away. Even if the finish of this product is matte, I still love it because it gives a natural looking glow, which is perfect for this Korean inspired makeup.
She makes you smile, she makes you laugh, she makes you happy.
And don't forget to blend it onto your neck area to match the skin tone.
I try to hate you, find faults or crimes, but your only fault is that no longer mine.
Moko-moko has been super creative with their product packaging. I bet you've never seen anything like this before. They have created a wide variety of sachet makeup that are very affordable, and the one I'm using right here is the cream contour in cocoa coffee. For contouring my face, I spread the cream on areas where I need contouring, such as my cheek, my jawline, and finally I blend it in using a sponge. They sent me two shades of cream blush, the coral peach one and also the pink velvet one, but the one that I'm using right here is the coral peach, and I really love the blush color as it is very natural. I love cream products like this because you can easily blend it in even with your own fingers. I fell in love with this cream highlighter in Pure Radiance, and as the name said it, it's very radiating with shining metallic color. I put it on the highest points of my face like my cheekbones, my brow bones, nose bridge, and also my chin. When using their cream products, I suggest you to work and blend the products as fast as you can before the products dries out. Now let's move on to the eye makeup. I want this eye look to be glowing in a very natural way, so I spread ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow in color Birthday Boy to all over my eyelids as the base color. Next, I'm using moko-moko Twinkle Gaze eyeshadow in color Mocha Gold and put it only on the center of my eyelid to create dimension. To add more sparkle, I added Silver Sparkling Powder by a local brand using a pointed pencil brush and slightly tapping it on top of the gold color. For the outer part of my eyelid, I'm using moko-moko Twinkle Gaze eyeshadow in color Espresso. I'm slightly lining my eyes as well using the same color. Moving on to the lower eye, I applied Mocha Gold on the center part of my eye and Espresso on the outer part to balance out the whole eye look. Last but not least, I added some sparkle on my inner corner to brighten up the eye. For the eyeliner, I dragged the outer part straight out instead of creating a sharp wing liner to create that innocent eye look.
She makes you smile, she makes you laugh.
And now I'm curling up my lashes before I finally put on my mascara.
I try to hate you.
Surprisingly, they have eyeliner and mascara in this packaging as well, and the mascara quality isn't bad at all. It really curls up my lashes and holds it for a very long time.
It's wrong to take what I like.
Finally, for the lip creams, they sent me three colors, which are Sassy Nude, Dreamy Nude Pink, and also Lush Red. And I'm going to be applying the Dreamy Nude Pink as the base color and then add Sassy Nude in the middle to create an ombre. I love the formulation as it doesn't dry up my lips, and they're very velvety as well. These products are very versatile because you can use the lip cream as a blush cream as well. Now moving on to the hair, I'm creating a natural curly hair using this curling wand. And for the curling process, some of them I curl inwards and some of them I curl outwards to make it even more natural looking. And once they're done, I will just loosen up the curls.
If I told you I missed you, could we start over again?
And this is the final look. For some final touches, I add this very Korean inspired hair clip and we are done. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
I know it's wrong to take what I love.